Hey there guys, what's happening? It's Mike here, and in this video I'm going to take you on a tour of some of the hottest Airbnb units here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Now these units are available for nightly, weekly and long-term monthly rental. So if you are planning to come to Phnom Penh in Cambodia and you're looking for a place to stay, well, stick around guys, because I'm going to show you some of the best rental units in the whole city. Now I'm going to meet up with a new friend of mine and the landlord of this place, a guy called Alex, who's got several different units here in Phnom Penh, and he's going to take us on a tour of the pick of the bunch. So without further ado, let's go. So here we are outside Royal Park Condominium, and we're going to meet the main man Alex, who's going to show us around some of his condos. Hey Alex, how you doing?
Hello Mike, good to see you.
So tell us, how long have you been in Phnom Penh, Alex?
I've been just over 3 years in Phnom Penh. Prior to that in Vietnam, East Africa, Middle East and Europe.
Wow, a world traveler, eh? Why don't you tell the guys what it is you do, what your profession is?
I fly aeroplanes.
All right, so Alex, the pilot and landlord, is going to show us how many properties we're going to see today.
We're going to see 3 properties, 3 different units.
All right, so are we going upstairs? All right, let's go. So we're up here on the 17th floor, and the first one we're going to have a look in is around the corner. I think this is the smallest of the 3, right Alex?
Correct. Mike, these apartments, they have denominations. So the letters, they stand for the different design. So on the floor plan, you can see D and C and E here are all without balcony. The units denominated B and A, Alpha, they have balcony units.
Okay, makes sense. So these are available on Airbnb for daily, weekly and monthly, is that right?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Right. So there's daily rates, then there's a weekly discount. Actually, we can go on the street. Then there's a monthly discount as well on Airbnb.
All right, really nice unit with an incredible view. If you're a digital nomad and you want a place to work, that wouldn't be too bad as a view, eh? And then upstairs, you've got the sleeping area. Great use of space. Little kitchen there. Little living area and the bathroom through the back. So how much is this for a night? How much is this to stay?
$21, I believe. No, sorry, this one is $20.
$20 a night, okay. And if someone was interested in taking it long term, what could we expect to pay for a place like this?
The weekly discount is usually 20% off.
Okay.
The monthly discount can be up to 35% off.
Okay, so that'd be what? Work out at about $450 a month? Would that be right?
That's right.
Something around that? That's not bad, really. When you look at a place with a view like that, what would you pay in London or LA? Probably $4,000 a month, right? All right, very nice. I'll put a link to this in the description, guys, if you want to check it out. And let's go and have a look at the next place, Alex. All right, so I know this place fairly well. This is a place that I've been staying in. Really nice unit. So this is a bit bigger. You've got the bathroom on the right hand side there. a kitchen which I'll confess to not having used to cook. Little workspace there where all the magic happens. Living area. Sleeping zone upstairs. Let me just show you that, guys. Really good use of space. That's where I sleep. And then out the front, an absolutely stunning view. Which district is this, Alex?
This is the suburb of Tulkok.
Tulkok?
Tulkok. So this is the residential area. There's a lot of ministry employees, managers.
Sure.
Fairly quiet area.
And a lot of new construction as well. A lot of tower blocks coming up, right?
Well built up. There's a large array of different restaurants, so it's very diverse.
Yeah, I'll show you downstairs. I'll show you the neighborhood in a bit, but that's the view from my condo at the minute. Pretty spectacular, eh? And have we got another one to see as well?
Yes.
I think this one's the master unit, right? The next one, save the best till last.
We left the flagship exactly to the last one.
Right, let's check this place out. Huge window there. Look at that. Massive. Super loads of natural light. Man, what a view. So you've got a little area down here, sort of storage area. Oh, some chests down there as well. Another place to chill up there. You could sleep up there, or if you've got kids, I guess they could sleep up there. Nice living area under here. And a big balcony out the back. Bigger than my one at the moment. I might have to upgrade, Alex. Again, beautiful view there. You got a washing machine. And then let's just have a quick look upstairs. And that's your sleeping area up there. What more could you ask for? So what's this on a monthly rate? How much could we rent this for if we wanted to go month to month, Alex?
This is typically 585, management fees included.
Okay.
So Wi-Fi management fee is
585. Okay. Quite the bargain for a place like this. Smack bang in one of the best districts in Phnom Penh. Absolutely awesome. Well, thanks for showing us around, Alex. Are we going to check another place out in?
Today's a good day to view the apartments because it's Chinese New Year.
Okay.
Most of the shops are closed. Actually, the bookings are down on arrivals and departures on this weekend. So this is a great opportunity to see.
So we're going to have a drive across town. Can we see the tower that we're going to be going to?
So we'll be going to the center of Tulkok, which is just this building is called TK Star. It's the white building on the left-hand side of the radio tower, and it's just adjacent to the TK Mall. Okay, so we're going to jump on the motorbike and head over there. Let's go. So here we are at TK Star, which is a pretty big condominium complex, as you can see, and we're going to have a look at one of Alex's other units. I think this place is one of the most high-end condominiums in Phnom Penh, right? Yeah. They say it's the pride of Tulkok.
Wow.
Sales pitch, but in part probably.
So here we are on the 13th floor, and again, absolutely stunning view from this place. Huge balcony around the side. Absolutely massive. Look at the size of it. And if we come in here, I'll show you around the living area. Huge TV. Nice little kitchen area. I eat out mostly, but if you want to cook, there's an air fryer there. Nice shower room. There you go, there's the bathroom. And here is the bedroom. Nice big bed with a pretty nice view from the bedroom too. Look at that. So how much does this go for on a monthly basis, Alex?
This is in the region of $700 per month.
About 700 US a month, and it's on Airbnb for nightly as well?
Nightly rate is $29.
$29 a night, under $30 a night for an apartment like this. Absolutely unbelievable. So there you have it, guys. That was my tour of some of the top Airbnbs in all of Phnom Penh. As you can see, the view from this place is absolutely stunning. And in the background, you can see there's loads more condominiums being built. This is definitely an up and coming economy. Now, if you're interested in any of the condos that you've seen today, if you'd like to stay in them, I'm going to put a link to the Airbnb page underneath so you can book them for yourself and enjoy these incredible condominiums in Phnom Penh. With that said, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.